external battery.
Okay, full.
So it's not full, it's half.
Half.
Full is to be green,
The battery in that
yellow
car.
is medium, red is almost flat, cross is not connected, or your battery is already flat, totally out. This is the internal battery. This is your GPS, receiver. This is your time. So
The time is good. Yeah, it's 10:24.
okay. So if you press these three button, this three is a main menu, navigation menu. So you press this one, you have a welcome Windows, project, task list, setting, measure and instrument. So basically if I press the instrument things, you just can press OK, or you just press this arrow.
Side arrow.
Side arrow will be showing your what is the sub branches inside. So if you press OK, let's see if I press OK on the instrument, and then we will jump to the instrument page here. It shows
15
you
gig.
your memory, internal data storage free. This is your external memory here. You have the memory card, SD card, micro SD.
Micro.
Internal system storage is for the OS operating system for the equipment. So usually the data will be saved in the micro SD
Automatically.
automatically all the time. And then if you have a broken memory, and then it will be saved the internal inside the internal memory. Yeah.
So after, for example, you do measurements again, then the memory is full now already. So how
It will be saved in the internal memory.
again?
Yeah, again. So internal memory is very small. It's not able to save very much data inside. So usually you'll always use the external memory from
Up to
This
what
is,
gig? Supposed to use this one.
32 GB.
32
GB.
Okay.
So 32 GB is more than million data
Data.
you can save, more than. So if you press this button, this is a tab button. You can jump from here to here.
So there's a
Okay.
menu.
Yeah.
So
this
you
is-
cannot use this
No,
one.
you cannot use the arrow. You have to
So
press
this
the
one for the tab.
Yeah. I press this one and we jump to another
Other tab.
tab. If you want to go back, press this button, shift, and this
Tab.
one, and then go backwards. Or other options, you can press the main button, navigation, and then you go down and press network, and then we will jump.
Okay.
again. Two options, whether you want to press this or you go to from here.
This is for the shortcut.
So
Yeah, there's a shortcut.
this is the sub menus.
Yep. So now it shows your network mode. Usually this will be used when you transfer the data using the LS Toolbox. LS Toolbox is our companion software. It parts that you can transfer data, upgrade firmware inside, upgrade the protocols. Protocols means that how the data being collected, the arrays, everything can be done with
What are the arrays?
arrays. Is a what you call protocols.
Protocols. So what are those?
Wenner, Schlumberger, dipole, gradient, everything.
So it's already there.
Yeah, it's already inside. So if you want to transfer data, you can use the this one, Ethernet cable, or you can use a Wi-Fi, which is your transfer over Wi-Fi to laptop.
It has a
So-
built-in Wi-Fi itself.
The URL.
It's
What's supposed to be the
It's
URL?
already inside. The Wi-Fi card is inside. You have to. There is inside the software.
192.168.1.
Yeah, this is IP address.
The IP
That
address.
Yeah.
236.
Yeah.
That's for standard.
Yep.
192.168.1.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then
It's a
the-
Wi-Fi connection. It's
Yes.
not like internet connection. It's
Yeah, no.
different. Sometimes
Yes.
people misunderstood. When we connect Wi-Fi, you have internet connection that you can Google and everything, but not for now.
So maybe
so-
now this is the standard.
Yeah,
okay.
this is a standard IP address. So we will take a look this one later. After this, we not use very much on this one during the site, except you can control within your mobile phones. I'll show you later.
Yes, yes.
Press this one again. This is your GPS satellite. Alert long error, estimated error, and this is a satellite in view. How many satellite that being used for now?
12,
13
13.
over 20.
So it's now 5 meters.
5 meters error. So it's not really accurate, but it's just enough for you to show what is your position on site in the
Yes.
Google Map. So basically, if you want to make a precise measurement for each electrodes, you have to do a manual survey, like you use this kind
Total
of
station.
total station or GPS
Yes, yes.
and other brands of GPS nodes.
Okay.
So you can find out. But normally
I see.
in a flat area, it doesn't change much in terms of elevation because this is almost flat. But if you have in like hilly terrain, you have the first electrode on top, and suddenly the last electrode will be at the lower one, the result will be changed. The result is the same, but in terms of how the projection will be different. So
Yes.
that one you need topography.
Okay. So how
elevation.
supposed to be the distance between this one?
This electrode
Oh, by in sloping.
in slope,
We
yes,
will use the slope distance or the
slope
horizontal
distance.
distance?
Slope, yeah. Usually,
Yes,
if you use a total section,
then it's
we use
better.
HD and VD,
Okay.
HD VD, and then you have
So it is not
calculation.
matter
Yeah,
as long as
you have
this
HD and
one.
VD,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Because when you measure in the slope area, the distance will be shorter.
Yes. Yes.
Because you have a slope condition.
Yes.
So it's like you have a steep and then will be shorter cables. But in terms of real distance, it will be the same, but in terms of slope topography, it will be shorter.
Yes.
This is a part of the topography elevation will be
So
some
if
calculation.
it's 1 meter, 1 meter.
Yeah, but in terms of
Slope or
elevation will be
horizontal?
different.
No,
yeah.
not matter.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. So
Okay. Next. If I press this one, so this is showing your license key. So this equipment came with 2 channels, and this is your specs. If you refer to the technical spec, it shows you what is the output number, how many output number, voltage, and currents, everything. So actually, this equipment came with full range, which is high specs, but it limit with the license key. So if you bought a new full version license key, and then you can upgrade from our server, or we provide in the email, put in USB, and you just press update, and then it will be full spec. So actually, it came with the high spec,
same, yes, same unit.
same unit, but it just limit the features will be limit with the license key. So you can upgrade anytime, doesn't matter. So you don't have to worry. Even you bought the very basic, you can upgrade anytime.
so this is the basic one,
I think this is a basic
not
248.
advanced,
I think
not the basic.
yeah, the basic. Basics. I think standard or basic. Standard. I
It
think.
is standard.
Standard. I think.
So how do you know it there?
2 channels, 48, and
No,
then
no, 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 the standard or the basic.
yeah.
What's the difference?
Channel, the
Channels, number of channels, and number of electrodes. Usually, when you
But
have
it doesn't say basic or standard.
no, that one you have to refer on the technical specs configuration. So if you press this one, this is a calibration function. You don't need this one. Never use. It's for our servicing relay board. This is a relay inside. It's a matrix number 10010001. I don't.
it's the computer number.
Yeah, it's computer relay board
Yes.
number. So it's like testing all the relay boards inside. You have 4 relay boards. So when you start up the equipment, you can hear the clicking sound. Click, 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 click. Yeah, something like that. And this is showing your internal battery. External battery temperature. Temperature is that this equipment. So when you start the equipment, the temperature will be more higher and higher because it heats. They produce the heat when you use the equipment.
I think it's not 51 degrees right now.
No. I think the highest one it record as a 51.3.
Uh-huh.
The lower one is 34.
So it's still also diagnosing itself.
Yeah. So charging, if you charge, it shows your charging battery, how many. So usually if you have a full capacity battery inside here, it will be charged the internal battery automatically.
Oh, okay.
If you have like medium battery, it's not going to charge the internal one. Only the full charge it will be charged the internal. So that is the part of the instrument. If I go back again, project, welcome. So now that is part of the introduction. Usually we start with press 1, project list, or you just can click here, show all list project, press OK. Now you can create a new project. Let's say if you want to create a new project, click OK, and then this is your project 2, the folder is project 2, and then you can change this project name later.
Okay.
Click options, create new task, same thing, or you just press OK. So now you need to define spread is the cable type, what type of cable. So this type of cable you have 4 by 12. 12 is 12 takeouts. 12 takeouts mean that 12 electrodes connected at one cable. So now you have 4 by 12. correct? Protocol is the how data being collected. We have a protocols, winner, Schlumberger, gradient, dipole, and so on.
So
we can
it's only 4. What about the
we can
pole?
we can transfer from the software to the instrument.
But it's okay. We cannot use dipole here.
Yeah. You know, dipole you need the long remote cables and
So
everything
where is that connected?
on the VS part.
The VS.
Yeah.
Current
Yeah.
electrodes.
So if you want to use a dipole, usually 20 times total spread line. Let's say you have
1 kilometer.
yeah.
You have 20 kilometers.
yeah. In order to get the good data and the
Perpendicular or adjacent?
perpendicular. So if you have a good place, there is no obstruction, then it's
Go to
okay.
the desert.
Yeah, and desert is okay. You don't have anything. But sometimes you have like traffic, buildings that you don't have a choice to